As Clara stepped into the evergreen forest, sunlight danced through the tall trees and Ember walked beside her, ready for the adventure ahead. Every step felt magical as Clara explored the forest path, with Ember sniffing the breeze as if guiding her deeper into. Clara studied the ancient map that glowed softly, while Ember stood guard, sensing this journey was important.
This is the way.
Clara traced the map with excitement, telling Ember the story of Khazana, the forest's hidden treasure lost long ago.
We'll be rich.
Clara studied the ancient map that glowed softly, while Ember stood guard, sensing this journey was important. High above, birds sang secrets of the forest, and Clara smiled, feeling the adventure come alive around them. As they walked through soft ferns, Clara chatted warmly, and Ember answered with playful growls, their friendship growing stronger. Kneeling beneath dim light, Clara checked the map once more, while Ember nudged her gently as if saying, "We are on the right path." Mist curled around the rising ridge, and Clara moved carefully, with Ember stepping forward to lead through the airy silence. The sky turned orange and pink, painting the ridge in magical shades as Clara paused to admire the breathtaking view. Glowing mist swirled around them, testing their courage, but Clara stepped forward bravely with Ember close at her side. They continued into a darker, colder forest where silence wrapped around them like a blanket of mystery. Clara discovered ancient carvings on the stones, tracing them gently while Ember sniffed the strange markings with curiosity. The path narrowed into a tunnel of leaning trees, as if the forest itself was watching their every move. Thick vines drooped overhead, and Clara pushed them aside carefully while Ember scanned the shadows for danger. In a hidden clearing, Clara froze. There stood an old, vine-wrapped house that seemed to appear out of the forest itself. Every step toward the ancient house felt heavy, yet Clara moved forward, with Ember staying close, alert and protective.
The door creaked open into a dusty, broken room, and Clara stepped inside, Ember padding cautiously right behind her.
Strange symbols covered the crumbling walls, and as Clara traced them, Ember watched the shadows flicker and shift. Among the debris, a tiny glimmer caught Clara's eye, and Ember pawed at the fallen wood to help reveal the hidden secret. A golden glow burst from the old chest as Clara opened it, lighting her face with a while Ember stood proudly beside her. The entire house seemed to exhale, warming with gentle light as Clara touched the treasure and Ember looked around in wonder. With respect for the forest, Clara took only one small artifact, and she and Ember stepped back into the peaceful evening. As they walked into the glowing sunset path, Clara and Ember knew they had become the new guardians of the evergreen forest.
Thank you for watching my channel Kids Yarn TV. Kindly like and subscribe.